Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new website that I never shared before that you can use to drive free traffic to your Clickbank affiliate offers. This method is beginner friendly and it's easy to implement. And if you are a YouTuber, you are especially going to like this website. But there are some important informations that you don't want to miss, so make sure to watch the entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. People asked me, what is a Clickbank? For those of you who don't know, Clickbank is the biggest digital product marketplace on the internet, which means you will become affiliate on Clickbank. And that means you will get your affiliate link, and when someone click on that affiliate link and buys that product, you are going to get a commission. And Clickbank is not the only one. There is Commission Junction, there is Digital 24, JV Zoo, there is Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, and there is many other affiliate networks. But I am going to use Clickbank. And now I need to find product that I wish to promote. And weight loss is always a hot niche. You can always make money in weight loss. So I will search by category. Here on the left side, I will click on health and fitness. And then I will click on diets and weight loss. And I will scroll here and I will click must have affiliate tools page. And here Clickbank gives you all the products in this subcategory. And you should go through all of these products through their sales pages and their affiliate tools pages, check them out and see which one is the best for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Custom Keto Diet. As you can see, this product has gravity of 417. And reason for that is they have a good sales page and they have a really good affiliate tools page. And as you can see here, people on average make $45 with this product, and on initial sale you will make $25. And on rebill and recurring commission you can make $21. And let me just open their affiliate tools page in new tab. And you actually need to register in order to get access to tools page. Okay, I logged in and this is how their tools page looks. And as you can see, they're giving you lots of really good tools. As you can see, they're giving you product informations, banners, social media, lead magnets, landing pages, videos, media buyers, custom demographics, articles, keywords, email swipes, FAQs, and contact us. So they are giving you really good and useful tools. And if you are thinking of making your own product, I advise you to come to their tools page and to check them out and offer same tools to your affiliates. Okay, we have our product and now we need to promote that product. And for that we are going to use a website called Rumble. Rumble is a video platform just like YouTube. And if you are a YouTuber, this will be even easier for you. But let me first show you potential of this website. When you go on SimilarWeb, and when you scroll here, you will see that this website got 83 million visits last month. And as you can see, their traffic is skyrocketing. It's growing rapidly every month. And they are expecting this month to get more than 100 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 80% of visits come from highly developed countries. United States, Canada, Italy, United Kingdom and Australia. And from United States alone, it's 72% of traffic. So this website has a huge potential. If you are a YouTuber and for some reason you are not accepted in YouTube partnership program, you can come on Rumble and it's much easier to get accepted in Rumble partnership program. And they are very transparent about that. As you can see here, Hubble Algot, they uploaded videos on January 11, 2021. This video got 3,266 views and they earned almost $23 with this video. So they are very transparent with this. And here you can see some categories: news, science, viral, podcasts, editor speaks, sports, and so on and so on. And some of these videos are getting lots of views. Let me just open this video here, for example. And when you come here, you will see that this video was uploaded on January 11, 2021, and it already got 284,000 views. And this guy has more than 1 million subscribers. So this website has a huge potential and it is best to come now because they are just starting. So it is best to take your place early. Let's check potential of our niche. Our product is in weight loss niche. So here in search bar, I will just type lose weight and then click search. And here we can see weight loss related videos. Some of these videos are in partnership program, so people are making money from Rumble. Some of these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. So let's just open one of these videos. Let's say this first one, for example. Let's just open this video in a new tab. And let's just scroll to see description. Okay, they have bit.ly link in description, learn more here. And let's just scroll more. And they have another link on the bottom. Let's just click on this link to check it out. And this is actually custom keto diet. That is the product that we are promoting. Let me just go back on Clickbank and let me just click to open their sales page. And as you can see, it's exactly the same like this one. So they are using Rumble to promote exactly the same product as we are promoting. And this is a proof that people are using Rumble to promote their affiliate products. And just like on YouTube, you can add clickable links in description of Rumble videos. So what you need to do now is you need to register on Rumble. And to do that, just click here on sign in. And click on create a Rumble account now. And you are going to create a free account. Fill this form, it's a simple form. After you do that, you will need to verify your account in order to upload videos. I won't do that now because I already did that. Verification is done via phone number. You will have to give them your phone number and they will send you SMS. In that SMS, it will be code. You will need to enter that code on Rumble and your account will be verified and you will be able to upload videos on Rumble. And to upload video, you will need to come here and click on upload. And you will come to this page, click here to choose the video that you wish to upload, add your title, add your description, choose the thumbnail or you can upload thumbnail, add tags and you can schedule video and then click upload and that's it. You uploaded your video on Rumble. It's that simple. And if you don't have your own videos or you don't know how to make videos, you can go back on Affiliate Tools page. Okay, this is the page and when you scroll here, you will see videos. Click on videos and here you can see all kind of videos that they are giving you that you can use to promote this product. There is about 100 videos that you can download for free and upload them on YouTube, on Facebook, on Rumble, or wherever you want in order to promote custom keto diet. And many of these Clickbank products actually have videos that you can download and upload wherever you want in order to promote those products. And after you download one of these videos, go back on Rumble, upload that video, add your Clickbank affiliate link in description, and that's it. And just like on YouTube, you should promote your videos. Let's just go back here and let's just click on this video here. And here you can see this video got 5,233 views and they made $24 with this video. And here you can see this video got 109 rumbles. Rumbles are upvotes. Here you can see you can embed this video. Let me just close this. And here you can see you can share it. When you click here, you can share it on Parler. Actually, you cannot share it on Parler anymore. You can share it on Reddit, WhatsApp, Twitter, or email. Or you can simply copy the link and you can share that link on different forums, on different Facebook groups, and so on and so on. And like I said, this website is still new, but it's growing rapidly and you should take your place early, before your competition. And as you can see, this really is a simple way of doing affiliate marketing and driving free traffic even if you are a beginner. You don't even need to create videos by yourself. You can get videos done for you and you don't need a website. You can use Rumble. Guys, if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income, I will leave you a link in description. For those of you who don't know what perpetual income means, that means that you will make money month after month after month after month. And all you have to do is just set up the system and maintain the system and you will have enough time for yourself and more importantly, you will have more time for your family. So like I said, I will leave you a link in description if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.